Hey guys, it's Margie
and Charlotte,
and we're here at my craft source, and we are so excited because we have the long-awaited StarCraft solo cutting machine.
Guys, this is the most revolutionary cutting machine that just hit the hands of the girls in my craft source.
I know.
And we are so excited about this product.
We love that StarCraft trusted us enough to send us a machine to test out and to show you guys, so you guys can be ready to buy it when it comes out in about a month.
Yes, so we are going to do an unboxing with you guys today and talk a little bit about this machine and what you guys can expect whenever you get your hands on one.
Yeah. Okay, so just to start out, I love the box. I love the name.
So colorful.
Solo. I mean, it's really
She
cool.
just made a Star Wars
I made a Star
joke.
Wars joke. I said, I love you. And the machine would say, I know. Because you know.
And I said, you're such a nerd.
I am. But anyway, it's a really cool stainless steel machine. It's got a touch screen.
Yes.
I mean, when we
so
first
futuristic
when we
looking.
first heard about it, he was like, the StarCraft owner was like, think
Airstream.
Airstream, which I was like, oh, my grandma had an Airstream tray.
I've always wanted one,
I know.
so I was totally on cue with that. I was
Oh,
like,
yeah.
I'm obsessed.
We used to stay with it when we go to her ranch. We'd stay in her Airstream.
Yes.
But anyway, so there's a QR code that you scan with your phone when you open it up, and it opens up the software and gives you unboxing tips.
Do you want to turn the box around real quick and show them the info on the back?
Forgot about that.
No, you're
I'm so
fine.
excited to like open it up and turn it on.
We're gonna turn it on. But this guys, this is a 16-inch wide cutter. That is huge. So the basic, this is just the basic like first model that's ever come out. It's already 16 inches wide.
I mean,
game changer.
remember my first silhouette? It was a 9-inch wide, y'all. The Silhouette SD.
Yeah,
Had
the portrait.
Yes. So this is game changing.
Yes.
But then it also has adjustable things, so you can cut your 12-inch vinyl on it, but you can cut up to 16 inches, which is awesome.
The high resolution camera that is built in on this machine is going to be so good for precise cutting.
I cannot believe they have that on the machine.
It's crazy.
Like, you think of our scanner and how it doesn't scan things properly.
Yes,
so
this is probably going to be night and day.
no more messed up print cuts.
I know. But some other really awesome features that this thing will offer is matless cutting, and it has LED lighting built in. So guys, have you ever tried to like hold a flashlight into your machine because you can't see where it cuts?
You want to make sure that it's cutting, that it's cutting at the right depth and in the right place.
I mean, they knew what they were doing.
We don't have to mess with that anymore.
I'm so
I
excited.
know, but then it also, so the touch screen, the camera, it's quiet and
We're going to see how quiet. We've never plugged this in.
We're going to plug it in with y'all today. It's going to be so much fun. And then it's got 4 options for connecting, which I think is great. It's got Bluetooth, it's got Wi-Fi, it's got USB, and then what's the last one? A flash drive. You can plug in your flash drive.
Yes.
So if you're crafting on the go, or if you have a friend that needs to cut something, she can just bring her flash drive over, plug it in, touch screen, and you can cut it for her.
One of the coolest things that I'm obsessed with is that this machine came with its own software as well.
Yes.
So we have more videos coming in the future on showing you guys what that software looks like and exactly how to use it.
Yeah.
But is this one like Silhouette where you don't have to have internet to use it?
You don't have to have internet to use it. It's a software that you download to your machine, but then it integrates with the font for fonts and other things. So I feel like that's life-changing. And there is like a shopping, like a thing that you can buy designs in too, but it's got a great trace feature. I've tested out the trace feature. It's amazing.
I'm so excited.
You know how we love to trace.
Yes.
So anyway, y'all.
So you guys familiarize yourself with StarCraft Create. That is what we are going to be referring to that software as, because that's the name of it.
I know.
So
StarCraft Create for
with the StarCraft Solo.
I know.
All right, let's get this thing out of the box. I'm dying.
I know. So it comes with one cutting mat. Look at this baby.
That thing looks nice.
I know. It's 12 by 19 inches long.
I noticed that the mat says light tack, so I'm wondering if they're going to come out with more mats in the future that have different tackiness.
Oh, I bet they will.
Yes.
I'm sure they will. So Charlotte and I will just lift it up.
Okay, move this over. You should also get a box in your box. So
in your box.
I'm sure it has really great stuff in it.
But we're going to take it out of the plastic.
Look at this thing. This looks like something out of a futuristic movie.
It really does. It's like solid. It's not gonna move around when you're cutting stuff.
Look at the back of the hinges. Like, let's just turn this around. Like, look at the strength and industrialness of this. I'm obsessed.
This is really cool. This is really cool. Okay, so we need to get our scissors and cut.
Yes. In your box, you will receive, let's see what we have here. So we have a power cord. We have the power adapter box, which I love that they have these because I feel like it gives it extra protection.
It's more protection.
Yes. You would have also gotten your USB cable if you were going to connect this directly to your computer.
It's really nice that they gave us one.
I know.
It's like a long one too.
I love that it's like what is that? The web knitting type, so it looks more futuristic.
It
just
does.
Like the machine.
Well, and it's more durable. You're not going to break it.
I feel like all the thought that went into this machine was just so detailed.
I know. StarCraft really hit it out of the park.
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to turn it back around.
Okay, let's see what happens.
And y'all, we have never tried this or plugged it in or anything. Should I plug it in?
The case of the blades.
Ooh.
So this is your blade case, and it comes with 3 blades, it looks like, but I think 2 are the same, right? So you should have gotten 2 45s and 1 60. Is that correct?
That's correct.
Okay. And this is the blade housing. So this thing is so cute.
That's cute.
It's like a unicorn.
I know.
It's like a unicorn horn.
So you unscrew it.
Yes.
So put your blade in.
And just so we can touch a little bit on that, if you are an avid Cricut user or a Silhouette user, you guys know that they commonly refer to their blades as the name of them is what they're for, such as deep cut blade, fabric blade. These go by millimeter, so you need to familiarize yourself which blade you would use in what circumstance. And the 45-degree one is the one that you would use for most projects.
Most everything, unless you're doing maybe our twill or our faux leather.
So the red capped ones are the 45s.
So we just stick it in?
Yep, I believe so. I think that's weird.
Yeah, I might not have needed to screw that off.
Interesting. Okay, so then you would have also gotten some pins, and we have not used these yet, so we don't know how cool they are, but it has a scoring pin and a drawing pin. So I'm very intrigued by that, and I can't wait to test those out and see what happens.
I love that.
And like we said, there'll be more videos in the future of all the things that this machine
I think I should have taken the red cap off.
I think you're right.
Before I stuck it in.
I was wondering how that was gonna work, and I was like, but this is good. People need to see how this works.
You know, Margie and Shiloh will show you what not to do along with, oh look, the red cap's stuck in there, and you can see the blade. And now I can pull the red cap off.
Awesome.
You want to save that?
Yes, I do want to save it.
So it is a really sturdy blade.
That thing looks so industrial.
It really does. It looks like it's going to do a great job cutting. We have not cut with it, of course, but we have heard from StarCraft how amazing it does with fine details, like teeny tiny things. So we're really excited for that because sometimes our cutters struggle with that. And sometimes you just want to cut out something small to put on a keychain or something.
I'm just excited about the fact that it says it's quiet.
I know. Okay, are we ready to plug it in?
I think let's plug it in and see what happens. So like we guys, like we said, this thing has LED lights built in, and you're able to change the color of the lighting. So I think it's fabulous. I have to see the yellow lighting. Did you just bump your head? I did.
Okay.
Whoa! What the heck? Look at this thing! I love it!
This is really cool.
Oh my heck!
Oh my gosh. So it's saying set. I can't read upside down.
I'll try. Let's switch places. This feels more right.
I know it does.
Okay, so what we want to do is try to do the color, right? Maybe. Okay, let's see. This is so exciting. General settings, LED set. Oh my gosh. So you can turn it on all or off all, or you can just turn it on partially and you can actually adjust your coloring.
Just with dragging it, that's really cool.
Yes. Look at the yellow.
That's really fun. Can you see it good?
Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed.
All right, so this is really cool.
This is so cool. I love how it's very light pressure on the screen. You don't have to force press, which, do you remember the Silhouette Cameo 3 had a touch screen very similar, and that thing was awful.
Well, we still have the 3. We use it up front for making displays, and we're always like,
You literally have to like pound on it, and I just love that this is very touch sensitive, and it definitely feels your fingertip right off the bat.
Oh, that's good.
But I love this. I love how it looks. Do we want to put the blade in real quick and see if we can show them how to do that? So the blade goes in here, and you're just gonna unscrew that screw, put it down in there. Make sure you're pushing all the way down until it doesn't go any farther, and then screw it back tight. And then let's scoot it up closer so that they can see too much. Okay, there we go.
All right.
Is that good? Okay. So this is the new StarCraft Solo, guys. I'm so excited. I think that this is going to be a game changer in the vinyl cutting industry.
Should we tell them what the MSRP is?
Let's tell them how much you guys can plan to pay for this.
It is $4.99.
$4.99.
Which is amazing. It comes with the software license. You don't have to buy anything extra.
16 inches wide. I mean, I think that this is going to be well worth it for all.
It is, and it's a solid machine. It's not like a farmy house.
This is a brick. This is industrial.
It's metal. It's really nice. So it's really good. But stay tuned. We will be doing more solo videos to show you guys how to use it and to get you excited to buy it from mycraftsource.com when it comes out.
Yes, you will be able to shop right here with us, just like you do for everything else. So be sure to stay tuned and watch for new videos coming soon.
We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.